everybody. Welcome to Diamond Painting Cat and Dog. This is Helen with a Diamond Art Club unboxing. Landscape, of course, because I'm a landscape freak. Welcome back if you are a repeating viewer, and hello and thank you if you're new to this channel. This, like I said, is a Diamond Art Club. It is a square. It is Magic House by the River. If I can turn this, you can see it, hopefully. It is a diamond. It is a square, and it is a 98 centimeters by 70 centimeters. And there's the box. On the back tells you the contents and how to diamond paint. On this side is to unlock a 10% off. That's about it for the box. So let's open it up and see the good stuff. So we have a toolkit, a sticker, and a heavy drills and canvas. So let's start here. It says Magic House by the River by Image World. A square, and it is 98 centimeters by 70 centimeters. I put these in my logbook, but some people put them on their boxes when they stash them so they can organize it and see what they're doing. There you go. Put that aside. And then let's get in our toolkit. Let's see what we got. We have a pen, tweezers, baggies, empty, some washi tape, which is very pretty, a squishy to match the pen, a looks like black, a seashell, a 7-placer, a 4-placer, a tray with a stopper, and our wax, which there's 2 in there. And always remember to take the plastic off before trying to use it, or you'll be pushing and pushing and nothing happens. Okay, so it's basic toolkit to do this painting. You don't really need anything else. The painting, to do this painting, is all this. Of course, if you've been doing it a while, you know you can upgrade. And if you've just started, you can upgrade if you like it. Be careful with the tweezers. They are really sharp. And then baggies, they're to kit up, if that's how you want to kit up, or put your extra diamonds in it if you don't use, however way you do. If you keep your used ones, everybody's different. So next is our canvas. Diamond painting. Do what makes you sparkle. Nice, thick dust cover. Let's get this opened. This thing is heavy. Okay, there we go. Let's get you unrolled. This one's a little biggie. Oh, almost the same size as my table. So let's move this over here. Let me roll this backwards so we can get it to lay flat so we can check it out. Maybe I can. But I love their canvases. They are soft. They have the scalloped edges. I know the scalloped edges are so they don't fray, but I have had some that does, but not bad. Okay, this baby takes up my whole table and then some. Okay, so we have the thank you, the contents of the kit, tips and tricks, the VIP group on Facebook, step-by-step instructions, And on the back is 20% off your first purchase if you have never purchased from them again. If you never purchased from them, not again. You just never purchased from them. Duh. And here, this is all sticker here. We have 61 colors. We have 2 Z's right here. We have a Diamond Art Club collar, which is 600. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABs. Anything under 150. And then we have Diamond Art Club, What Makes You Sparkle. Magic House by the River by Image World. Your start and end dates. A picture of the drawing, which is very beautiful. It is a square, 98 centimeters by 70. Okay. Now, this is a big canvas, so work with me here. On the bottom right, you have your legend and your warranty on the corner here. Here in the middle, on the bottom, is their media. On the left, down here on the bottom, is your printing area, the name of the canvas, the size of the canvas, and the licensings from Image World. Up here is your legend, and all the way up there at the top is diamond painting. Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle. Okay. So let's see here. It does have the perforated. It is nice and sticky. Good working area. Looks like it's going to be easy to read. Let me see if I can give you a view of the whole drawing. Give me 1 second. And we will. Scanning away. Not very good at scanning here, am I? Hey, crooked. Good job, Helen. Bad job. Bad job. Doing a really bad job. Okay, let's put this down before I break something. Back to the canvas. Okay. So, like I said, it is a big canvas here, so let me do it this way, so you can get somewhat of a better view than what I just did. That was horrible. So you have a cabin up there, or a house. You have a brick walkway there, down to the water, some boats. Down here at the bottom, you got some flowers. Here is a nice bridge, some bushes and some flowers, a little bit more of the pathway. Some water, some flowers, a big nice tree, nice beautiful colorful sky. So let's get into these drills. Okay, let me see if I can get this all situated. So let's see here. It does have the name on here, so we know that it does match. 61 colors, huh? And looks like there's might be a bag opened. There's some drills floating around inside here. There's not a few either. It's a lot. So I'm going to have to be careful on that. So to start us off with, we have this cream color for 3774. 2 of the 433s. These are all full bags too. 3731, 739, 317, and here is our first Z, 3733, and we'll definitely be checking that out to see where that pretty color goes. 762, 945, and we have 2982 of the 898. Here is our first AB 105. We have 165, 2 166s, a 3064, 938, and 3, unless they got more on another strip, of 801. Get this, set it aside, get our next strip, and it's 413, 2 of the 935s, 2 of the 3772s, 718, 2 of the 435s, 2 of the 452s, 2 of the 700s, 160, 554. Here is another AB, 131, 415, 3799, 161, 327, 209. Let's get to the next one here. 741, 3837, 414, 814, 211, 553, 6021, 648, 341, 3740, 740, another AB in orange, 133, 552, 963, 3765, 3074, another AB, 140. It's really pretty. It's really pretty. 993, 310, 3766. And I think this is our last one. And it is 666, 3 of the 937s, 738, another AB white, 141, 3 of the 581s, 498, 3 of the 3362, 3708, 2 of 437, 2 of 451. The last Z is green and it is Z702, and the last one is 413. So let's see. Let me get all these drills that are inside the bag picked up. Some of them fell out of the bag, of course. And let's see if we can find us some of these special drills on the canvas. Move stuff out of the way so we can do that. Move these out of our way. Move this out of our way. And let's see if we can get to finding where the specials go. Oh, I am so sorry, people. Okay, so we can start with our Z's, green and pink, and they are down here in the flower. In here, mixed in the water. Let's see, we got some over here on these flowers and in the green plants. Same thing all through here. Let's see, none in the water over here. So let's go up to this plant over here, here, up there in the trees above the house. Let's see where else. Let's see if I fold this down some, if we can find something. Yeah. Here in the sky. Okay, so let's see. Our next ones are, so our ABs. Some right here, 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 here. All of our whites. And then I don't see anything else up there. Let's see. It's on the roof of our house. And there's our white ABs. These are our orange ABs. It's all through in here, through here, through here, through here. The boats. Through here. So it looks like they pretty well got our ABs spread out all through the water, the sky, the bridge, the house. But this one is going to be fun to do when I'm ready to do another big one. Right now I'm just working on a small one, only 45 colors. I needed a break, and it's round. I'm on day 10 right now, and I'm almost done. I have just a section like this to do, and then I will be done with that one, and I will do a review when I am done. I hope you liked this video. I just went, ugh. And sorry for the tapping on my doggy's little footprints coming in here to see what Mama's up to. And I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like, and comment. We love to hear from all of you. And see you next time. Bye.